The other crystal that I use a lot is citrine. This is a natural citrine, meaning that it was not heat treated. A lot of what you find as citrine is actually amethyst that has been heat treated and changed the chemical property to a citrine. And you can tell this is natural by how clear it is. And it's an amazing crystal because it's often referred to as the stone of abundance.
Mhm.
And it's great for people to put right by your cat. If you have a brick and mortar store, you can put even a small citrine. Nope, that's not citrine. This is citrine. A
Mhm.
small
Mine's
citrine
small. Mhm.
in your cash register in one of the drawers, and that helps promote money coming into your business. How awesome is that? I actually in Idaho, this was many years ago in Idaho, I walked into a metaphysical shop and I just wanted to check it out. I was like, "Oh, I'm here in Idaho. Let me go shopping." And I walked in and it was 4 feet.
Mhm.
The owner had a 4 foot citrine cathedral right next to her cash register. And literally in this itty bitty town, somewhere in Montana, I don't remember where it was.
Mhm.
Um, in this itty bitty town, there was a line at her cash register. People were buying things like crazy. Was it because of the citrine? I don't know, but every metaphysical shop I've ever walked into, there's always citrine at the cash register. Because it's the stone of abundance, and
Oh.
it's a sunny
Mhm.
and I always feel very sunny, and I it could be because of the color. I always feel
Mhm.
very sunny and uplifted when I play around with citrine, and I keep this is my little citrine wand. I keep it near my since I don't have a cash register, I do take credit, so I keep it near my credit processing machine because
Great idea.
that's where my
Money
where I
flow from.
take money into my business. How cool is that?
No, well done. I said I've used citrines for quite a few things, but for some reason not for that. So that's great example.
So
Um,
now you know. Now you know.